Hello, good morning. Wanted to share Sensex expiry levels with you guys for today. So this is monthly chart for Sensex. So let's dive in. So nearby, I think this wick, ये जो wick है ये clear एक level है monthly पे, like midpoint of this wick. Basically 80,500 levels and 80,000 levels. I see market taking some sort of a support those levels पे. So yeah, it would be a good idea to keep this levels in check on your charts. So yeah, this is what I see on monthly. Let's switch to weekly. Weekly on the upside, this fair value gap still stands. काफी दिनों से हम ट्रैक कर रहे हैं, अभी तक market hasn't come into this fair value gap. So by looks of it, अभी तक तो सब bearish ही लग रहा है. Again, nearby ये lows हैं, low and high of previous week, it's pretty close. So basically इस week का high, previous week high is pretty nearby. So वो levels हैं 82,300. So again, if market opens right about in the middle, then it might be possible कि market might take out these equal highs and tap into this fair value gap. So that's one possibility. The other possibility is just again following the bearish mode abhi, and then coming back to these 80,500 and then 80,000 levels as another possibility. But these two, because abhi tak inside week bana hai, from the previous week of 7th October, this week has been just trading within that range. So we'll see how market behaves. Agar this week be, I mean today also it remains in this range, and most likely next week it will be a kind of maybe a break out or breakdown scenario, because generally market will try and kind of move to either side. So we'll see. But on a weekly, let's see if we see something else. Is this volume imbalance nearby or this fair value gap? So if so let's attach this. So because it's a bullish fair value gap and also the volume imbalance एक साथ है, so we have to cover the entire range. And this level also is kind of overlapping with our wick का जो monthly wick के जो midpoint levels हैं. So I think this area becomes pretty crucial. I mean, market should take, if fill करके market should take some sort of support and maybe close a little higher. But again, this is the close. Just want to mark this. And even these two lows are pretty near to each other. A weekly low of 9 September and current week. So again, the idea is कि market अगर बीच में कहीं open हो रहा है, so again it might continue downward and clear out ये liquidity on the sell side. So yeah, that's on the weekly. Let's switch to daily. Daily was a bearish day yesterday, so let's mark that. And low we have already marked. So daily, I think nearest there's this wick as well. ऊपर की साइड. तो मार्केट should see some sort of a resistance अगर मार्केट really bullish हो जाएगी आज. तो I think the extreme targets ये होंगे basically 82,500 से ऊपर 600 800. But again we'll see once market ये दो highs को breach करती है how it kind of reacts there. But again ये सब targets are far, so I don't think market will have that much strength आज. Maybe it's going to be a sideways kind of an expiry. But nearby जो targets वो है sell side की तरफ, ये जो दो liquidity दिख रही है and this fair value gap and the volume imbalance. So I think वो nearby लग रहा है market के targets. But again we'll see where is market opening, and अगर बीच में हो रही है then we'll look at like once it crosses the low, क्या is it going by like speed से जा रही है or is it just kind of wicking it and then coming up, और वो दूसरी साइड को भी अटैक करेगी. So let's see how this but yeah, on a daily I think these are the levels I'm seeing. There is this gap as well on daily, and the larger fair value gap as well, so it's no harm to mark that as well. So let's do that. Because it's gap and volume imbalance, we attach the body as well. So this is going to be an extreme target for today. I'm not sure it's going to reach up till there, but again for the coming weeks this is a clear level on daily which we should know. And yeah, I don't think ऊपर का इतना significance है आज move ऊपर की side, तो I don't think it's going to be possible. So let's switch to 4 hours. 4 hours I see this bearish gap which market has created, fair value gap. So let's mark that by. All right, so it will be interesting कि market कहाँ open हो रही है, like is it opening in between and then trying to go up, take support, ऊपर की तरफ fair value gap बना रही है, then these two these equal highs will become target. Otherwise I'll personally wait for market like a candle close above these levels like 81,400 और 81,500 के ऊपर जब तक क्लोज नहीं आता कैंडल का, personally I don't think I'll be taking any trades on the upside at this point. So on the downside I think we have marked most of the fair value gap, so I think it's reasonable. Yep, let's switch to 1 hour. 1 hour also, again these two fair value gaps are marked. So again ऊपर के side पे ये these two equal highs, ये draw on liquidity है, and नीचे ये दो lines तो हमने mark की हैं. Yeah, I think 1 hour also is the same thing. Let's 30 minutes. 30 minutes ये एक और fair value gap दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, which is still market ने अभी तक fill नहीं किया है. So let's mark that. Again like I said, अगर market बीच में कहीं open हो रही है, support लेके ऊपर fair value gap बन रहा है, then this high becomes target, and of course ये fair value gap will become target, and eventually these two highs which are nearby. But I think scenario ये लग रहा है कि market ऊपर खुल के ये lows पहले clear करेगी and then it might push up, but we'll see. Yeah, I think 30 minutes nearby these are the levels. There's a small little gap here. There's one here as well, but I think this one was not visible on higher time frames. This is like इस गैप में there's been no trading that has happened. So again, like if market is turning slightly bearish, ये भी target, ये first target रहेगा for us to kind of track. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Yeah, I don't see anything. Yeah. Yeah, I don't see anything else on 15 minutes. Let's switch to 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes also we kind of, there's this another fair value gap, small one. So no harm in marking that. And these one we have already covered, so I think we're good. And even this one we covered. So let's switch to 1 minute. I'm just trying to see if there's any other area which we have not marked. There's this 1 minute fair value gap as well. Which market created right at the open. So that stands. And of course, there is this one as well. And then multiple fair value gaps on the downside again. Even this one. Yeah, and all these are multiple fair value gaps which market has kind of created. But yeah, let's see on 30-second if we have anything else, some small gap or something. No, I don't see anything. Let's switch to last one, 15 seconds. There was this gap, but it got filled. This also, there was this gap, got filled, so we can ignore. Yeah, I don't see anything else. This also got filled. This one, so I think market will really quickly fill this one, but we should mark this on a chart. Again, whatever gaps as a missing action, I'm just going to mark it with blue. Again, like for example, I'm in a trade and I've taken a buy side trade, then I'm looking at these to take off my positions. Like this would be the first area I would book my my profits. Like I'll reduce my size. Even this is a very small one. All these are small ones. Again, I don't, if you go to 5 second, you'll find even more gaps, but I've seen that 15-second chart works. I think it's enough in my opinion, but from yesterday's action, these can get filled. Again, I look at these as like targets, as well as like sometimes market literally will come, fill this, and start to come down from these levels. And that's when I'll try to see if opposite side may fair value gaps bun rahe hain, and then I'll accordingly take entries on that. So yeah, I think these are the levels for today. It could be it's kind of a sideways or starts as a bearish day and then it might take off like as a positive day. But nearby levels, I think is going to be crucial to kind of take off your profits and reduce your position. So yeah, wanted to share this with you. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe and give this video a like. Thanks. Bye.